कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं. कल हम लोगों ने इसका पर्पट नहीं पढ़ा था, so we'll go through the Srila Prabhupada's purport today. So let us first read the shloka. Save pumsam paro dharmo yato bhaktir adhokshaje ahitukiya pratihata yayatma suprasidati. Save pumsam paro dharmo yato bhaktir adhokshaje ahitukiya pratihata yayatma suprasidati. Save pumsam paro dharmo yato bhaktir adhokshaje अहेतुकीय प्रतिहता ययात्मा सुप्रसीदति. Yes, anybody would like to read the shloka? Please go ahead.
सवे पुष्पं परो धर्मो यतो भक्तिरधोक्षजे अहितकीयता ययात्मा.
Okay, next.
सा वै पुंसा परो धर्मो यतो भक्तिरधोक्षजे अहेतुकी अप्रहिता ययात्मा सुप्रसिद्धति.
Anyone else? Okay. Translation and purport by Srila Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada. The supreme occupation dharma for all humanity is that by which men can attain to loving devotional service unto the transcendent Lord. Such devotional service must be unmotivated and uninterrupted to completely satisfy the self. Can you all please repeat this statement? साथ में इसको पढ़ो जरा, because it's very important. Please read with me. The supreme occupation dharma for all humanity. Please repeat.
The supreme
occupation dharma for all humanity is
The
that
supreme
occupation for all humanity
is that by which men can attain to loving devotional service
men can attain to loving devotional service
unto the transcendent Lord.
unto the
transcendental Lord.
Such devotional service must be
Such devotional service
must be
unmotivated and uninterrupted
unmotivated
and
uninterrupted
to completely satisfy the self.
to completely satisfy the self.
Okay, so supreme occupation is by which man can attain the loving devotional service onto the supreme transcendent Lord. ठीक है. So और वैसी devotional service कैसी होनी चाहिए? Unmotivated and uninterrupted. ठीक है. There should not be some motives or interruption in that service. That can only satisfy ourselves. Otherwise, we won't be satisfied. So we have already discussed a lot yesterday. So we'll go through the purport today. ठीक है. In this statement, Sri Shuta Goswami answers the first question of the sages of Naimisharanya. ठीक है, कि पूरे विश्व के लिए क्या चीज है, मतलब the first question जो था, anybody remember the first question? Yes, किसको याद है? Who remembers the first question? Did you all took that screenshot? He asked about what is the absolute, what is in general people के लिए क्या तरीका है उद्धार के लिए, what can satisfy them, like that the question was there. So उसका आंसर इसमें आ रहा है, पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर कहाँ आ रहा है, यहाँ पे हमें मिल रहा है. In this statement, Sri Suta Goswami answered the first question of the sages of Naimisharanya. The sages asked him to summarize the whole range of revealed scriptures and present the most essential part so that fallen people or the people in general might easily take it up. कि हमें क्या पूरा summarize करके बताओ scriptures का what is the most essential part and that will benefit the fallen people in general. ठीक है, और जो वो आसानी से उसको ले भी पाए. So it says the Vedas prescribe two different types of occupation for human being. One is called the Pravritti Marg or the path of sense enjoyment, and the other is called Nivritti Marg or the path of renunciation. Please इनके थोड़े notes prepare कर लेना. ठीक है. What says in according to Veda there are two different types of occupation for human being. What are the two different occupation? First is Pravritti Marg and another is Nivritti Marg. Pravritti Marg is path of sense enjoyment Nivritti is the path of renunciation, or one can say the austerity or self-realization. बोल सकता है कोई. The path of enjoyment is inferior, and the path of sacrifice for the supreme cause is superior. तो inferior कौन सा है? Enjoyment वाला, इंद्र तृप्ति वाला. ठीक है. और जो sacrifice हम जो भगवान के लिए जो कार्य करते हैं, वो path कौन सा है? Superior है. The material existence of the living being is a diseased condition of actual life. कि जो मटेरियल एग्जिस्टेंस है जीवात्मा की, वो किस वजह से? इट इज अ डिजीज्ड कंडीशन. ठीक है. जो उसका एक्चुअल लाइफ है उसकी डिजीज्ड कंडीशन है ये. जब हम बीमार होते हैं, लाइक वी आर नॉट वेल, so we got to know the symptoms. Oh, I'm not well, we're having the fever, cough, like that we see the symptoms. And for Kali Yuga, what are the symptoms? Short memory, laziness, quarrelsome, frustrated. So we can understand the person jiva is conditioned or diseased, है ना. So the material existence of living being is a diseased condition of actual life. This statement is very important. काफी अच्छा statement है ये. What says? The material existence of living being is a diseased condition of actual life. कि जो उसकी material existence है, भौतिक जो उसकी हम लोग देख रहे हैं, the भौतिक condition, that is, it's a diseased condition. ये normal situation नहीं है. So that means if we are materially in material world existing, so this is a diseased condition. This is not our actual life. ठीक है. Actual life is spiritual existence. That is Brahma Bhuta existence, where life is eternal, blissful, and full of knowledge. The soul is Satchit Ananda, na? Eternal, full of knowledge and bliss. So that is natural state. But right now we are into diseased condition because we are having this body. So we are conditioned, you know. And like yesterday I was giving that example of a water. Water in a natural state, it flows. जब पानी अपनी नेचुरल पोजीशन में होता है तो वो क्या है? बहता है, मतलब लिक्विड स्टेट में रहता है ना. बट व्हेन सर्टेन सिचुएशन सर्कमस्टांसेस आर देयर, इट गेट फ्रीज्ड आल्सो, मतलब आइस बन जाता है, ठंडा हो जाता है. इट गेट क्यूब आइस बन जाता है ना उसका सर्टेन सिचुएशन. दैट इज नॉट द नेचुरल स्टेट ऑफ अ वाटर. वो वाटर का नेचुरल स्टेट तो नहीं है ना. बट अंडर सर्टेन सर्कमस्टांसेस इट हैज बिकम द आइस. सो सिमिलरली, under the certain circumstances, because due to in contact with this material nature, we are conditioned. जैसे इसके एक उदाहरण, आप लोगों ने अगर वो किताब पढ़ा हो, मैचलेस गिफ्ट शॉप, उसमें श्रील प्रभुपाद ने वो उदाहरण दिया था. तो क्या बोला था वहां पे? श्रील प्रभुपाद ने कहा था कि अब जैसे पानी होता है बारिश का, तो बारिश का पानी अगर आप डायरेक्टली पियो, यू कैन ड्रिंक इट बिकॉज इट्स क्लीन वाटर, यू कैन ड्रिंक. बट द मोमेंट दैट सेम वाटर come in contact with the mud or the earth, it becomes dirty. वो गंदा हो जाता है ना. उसको पी सकते हो आप? नहीं. It is dirty because it comes in contact with the mud or the ground. So similarly, we are in a pure state, was in the abode of God. But the moment we came to this material world, came in contact with the prakriti, we are become conditioned. So this is a diseased condition. हम लोग diseased condition में हैं अभी. We are not in a natural state, in the spiritual existence. ठीक है. And material existence is temporary, illusory, and full of miseries. We all have those experiences कि material existence तो temporary है, illusory भी है, because there are so many allurements that you will be happy, but we are never satisfied and happy. And it is full of miseries. There is no happiness at all. Are we really happy to get a car, to get a good job, to get a good spouse, or to get a good friend, to get a new iPhone, to get a new laptop? कितनी देर तक खुश हो सकते हैं हम लोग? For a very small duration of time, है ना. That is not going to make us really happy. वो हमें सच में खुश नहीं करता अंदर से. That is like to show off people. Oh, I have an iPhone. Oh, I have a branded clothes. To show off people, that is kind of like we get the happiness, but that is not actual the happiness. ठीक है. There is just the futile attempt to get rid of the miseries, and temporary cessation of misery is falsely called happiness. तो क्या होता है? तो there is a futile attempt to get rid of the miseries. हम लोग क्या है? फालतू के प्रयास कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे खुश होने का. But it's not possible to be happy here in material world until you are connected to your original cause. ठीक है. जैसे मैंने बोला कि आप एक खिलौने की दुकान पे जा रहे हो और वहां पे डिमांड कर रहे हो कि मुझे असली का मैंगो चाहिए. This demand is totally wrong. वो डिमांड गलत हो जाएगी ना. आप खिलौने की दुकान में जाके असली का आम कैसे ले सकते हो? वहां तो खिलौने ही मिलेंगे. That's a wrong demand ना. तो similarly, this material world is called दुक्कल्याम, दुखों का घर. So how you can expect a permanent happiness here? You will not. So that you need to connect to the original source of yours, that is the supreme person, then you can be happy, or come to your natural state, then you can be happy, है ना? So he says, therefore the path of progressive material enjoyment which is temporary, miserable and illusory is inferior. इसलिए जो ये प्रवृत्ति मार्ग है, that is the path of enjoyment, इसको क्या बोला गया है? इंफीरियर बोला गया है, क्योंकि ये टेम्पररी है, मिजरेबल है और इल्यूजरी है, ठीक है. बट डिवोशनल सर्विस टू द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड which leads one to eternal blissful and all cognizant life is called the superior quality of occupation. मगर जो डिवोशनल सर्विस है भगवान के प्रति, वो एक्चुअल में हमें हमारी नेचुरल स्टेट में लेके जाता है ना. It gives the spiritual experience that we experience and we feel the bliss and happiness. So that is actually the superior quality of occupation, because it leads to permanent happiness. ठीक है. So this is sometimes polluted when mixed with the inferior quality. अब ये भी कभी कभी pollute हो जाता है जब ये mixed होता है inferior quality से. जैसे मैं कल बात कर रही थी मिश्रित भक्ति, ठीक है. अगर हम प्योर शुद्ध भक्ति करेंगे तो विल बी हैप्पी, बट इफ द मिक्सचर इज देयर we won't be happy. Even we don't like to have the mixtures. अब कोई दूध ही है मिलावट वाला दे दे, आपको अच्छा लगेगा? नहीं, क्योंकि पैसे तो शुद्ध प्योर दूध के दे रहे हो ना, मगर आपको मिल तो मिलावट ही रहा है. So you won't be happy. You are like disappointed, isn't it? So similarly, you're not, and even you're not going to get the proper benefit. आपको full benefit भी नहीं मिलेगा वो दूध पीने का ना, इतना सेहत नहीं दिखेगा, पानी वाला पी रहे हो, क्या फायदा, है ना? तो similarly in devotional life also, if it is mixed, motivated, so you're not going to get the full benefits of it. Getting the point? तो आपको पूरा उसका benefit नहीं मिलेगा. So it is also become inferior quality. तो उसका प्योर क्वालिटी तो नहीं ना रहा, इन्फीरियर, आपने उसका गुणवत्ता कम कर दिया, क्वालिटी कम कर दिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अडॉप्शन ऑफ डिवोशनल सर्विस फॉर मटेरियल गेन इज सर्टेनली एन ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन टू द प्रोग्रेसिव पाथ ऑफ रिनंसिएशन. जैसे मतलब मोटिवेशन, आपने भक्ति तो ली है मगर कुछ आपकी भौतिक इच्छा है, you want some material gain out of it, so that is not, that would, you won't be progress. आप इतनी easily अच्छे से progress नहीं कर पाओगे अपनी इस भक्ति मार्ग पे. Renunciation or abnegation for ultimate good is certainly a better occupation than enjoyment in the diseased condition of life. कि एक बीमारी में enjoy करने से अच्छा तो आप renunciation का path ले लो, that is good. कि बीमारी में ही enjoy कर रहे हो, that is temporary thing and you won't be enjoyed for the full extent. So better to be in a renounced way. So therefore devotional service to the Lord must be pure in quality. तो इसलिए to have the full benefit, the devotional service to the Lord must be pure. ठीक है, उसकी गुणवत्ता कैसी होनी चाहिए? शुद्ध होनी चाहिए. That is without the least desire for material enjoyment. That is, we studied yesterday, अन्य अभिलाषिता शून्यम. We have to come to that point of अन्य अभिलाषिता शून्यम. अन्य अभिलाषिता शून्यम means अन्य अभिलाषा. अभिलाषा means desire. शून्य means no desire, zero. So no material desires. Then you are actually on a pure devotional service path, pure devotion. Okay. As Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has also taught us in Shiksha Ashtakam prayer, what he has taught us, na dhanam na janam na sundarim kavita maabhari. क्या बोला है? ना धनम ना जन्म, ना धन चाहिए, ना जन्म चाहिए, ना सुंदर स्त्री चाहिए, ठीक है, ना तो फॉलोअर्स चाहिए. आई डोंट नीड एनीवन, ठीक है, मुझे ये सब नहीं चाहिए. आई ओनली वांटेड, जन्म जन्मांतर तक भी अगर यहाँ पे आना पड़े, नो प्रॉब्लम, बट आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू लूज दिस भक्ति. मुझे भक्ति लूज नहीं करनी है. दिस इज व्हाट ही सेड, यू नो. इवन ध्रुव महाराज, यू नो, ध्रुव महाराज भी क्या मटेरियली मोटिवेटेड गए थे ना भक्ति के लिए. ही वाज मटेरियली मोटिवेटेड to approach Lord Vasudev, and उन्होंने approach किया that he wanted to have a palace greater than, kingdom more greater than his father. So he went for that thing, just a 5-year-old boy. He's so adamant, Kshatriya. Huh? So he went to worship Lord and asked for that thing. When the Lord appears in front of him, he says, what I was looking for, just the pieces of glasses. कि ये जो मैं भौतिक चीजें मांग रहा हूँ, ये तो एक मतलब कांच के टुकड़ों के बराबर है. Krishna can give me anything. So he didn't ask for that thing, but he had the desire. Because of that desire, he lived in this material world for 36,000 years. मगर उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं मुझे नहीं चाहिए. But Lord says, no, you have desire now, I will fulfill it. But don't worry, you will never forget me. आप मुझे भूलोगे नहीं, चिंता मत करो. He was hesitant to have that palace kingdom at that time, Dhruva Maharaj. But then Lord assured him, don't worry, you will not forget me. Though you will be in material world, enjoying the kingdom for 36,000 years, but you will not forget me. Okay? So that is what is required. कि मतलब we don't want to forget Krishna. बाकी material environment it comes, we immediately forget Krishna. That is not. Though he was motivated, but but just by having the experience of Krishna, he forgot about it. He says, "Oh, it's a piece of glasses, what I was looking for." And because it is inferior, everybody know it is inferior. So he looks for something superior, that is the pure devotion. Okay, so pure devotion is required to progress on the path of bhakti. If it is mixed, अगर आप बोलो कि मुझे अपने लिए भी खाना है भगवान के लिए, if you want to enjoy your senses also, so ऐसे the Maya and Krishna don't are ill together, they don't go parallelly, they cannot go parallelly, either Maya or either Krishna, you have to choose one. So be an intelligent person, choose, make a wise choice to choose Krishna, otherwise Maya will kicks you a lot. माया भगवान की ही सेवक है. किसकी सेवक है वो? भगवान की सेवक है. तो ऐसी आत्माओं को बांध के रखती है वो अपने जकड़ में, जो कि शुद्ध भक्ति में नहीं होते हैं ना, उनको बांध के रखती है वो. कभी ना कभी उनको अल्योरमेंट्स आ जाती है. आपने देखा होगा डिवोटीज के टेस्ट होते हैं. दैट इज टू चेक आर यू रियली वांट कृष्णा और यू जस्ट मेकिंग अ शो ऑफ बीइंग अ डिवोटी. आप सच में क्या ऐसे शो ऑफ कर रहे हो भक्त का कि सच में यू वांट कृष्णा? So Maya tests us every time because she is a loyal servant of Krishna. She don't want to send anyone Tom, Dick and Harry to Krishna. No, she wanted to send a pakka devotee to Krishna that will not disturb Krishna but fully render some devotional service to him in a loving manner, because he says bhakti is more superior than Lord himself and bhakti can conquer Krishna. So Maya Devi don't want to send any Tom, Dick and Harry to Krishna. No. She wanted to send a pakka devotee. So that's why she always tests her and checks us devotional service. So be all the time give priority to Krishna. As I says, the first priority should be Krishna only. Like आप पूरे दिन तो अगर इतना समय नहीं दे पाते हो, तो at least the morning program should be so strong that it should be fully for Krishna. अब जो व्यक्ति आपके लिए important है, आप उसके लिए समय निकालते हैं ना? You get some time for that, the person who is very important for you or not? जो आपके लिए पर्सन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप उसके लिए समय निकालते हैं कि नहीं? निकालते हैं ना, चाहे आप कितना भी बिजी क्यों ना हो आपका शेड्यूल, बट स्टिल यू मैनेज टू गेट सम टाइम फॉर देम, इजंट इट? है ना? आप निकालते हैं ना समय उनके लिए, बिकॉज यू नो दिस पर्सन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी, ये पर्सन मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको तो समय देना ही देना है. सो इजंट इट कृष्णा इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ? Actually, Krishna is important. Krishna is the only person who is important in our life, because nobody is going to be with you for a long time. But he is the person who is very loyal with us and caring and coming with us from life immemorial. He is traveling with us in every life, in every species. He is coming. So isn't like we have to have give time to Krishna? So I'm telling you, if you make Krishna your priority, everything will be very fine for you. Like सब कुछ एक मैजिकल सा हो जाएगा आपके लाइफ में. But just try give some time to Krishna. Like chant your rounds japa early in the morning, then do the Mangala Arati with full, whatever you are doing, do it with full attentiveness and submission to Krishna. Even देखो आपके पास जैसे if you feel like you have like 24 hours, you have most of the time you have to study or do some other activities, so you have not much time for Krishna. So at least whatever time you are able to, like maybe half an hour or 2 hour or like 15 minutes 20 minutes, give your full to Krishna 100%. उसमें भी गड़बड़ मत करना, आधा इधर दिमाग चल रहा उधर चल, no, that should not be there. Like even if you are able to master 1%, give it full 1%. Okay, so gradually you will advance to 1 to 2 to 2 to 3 3 to 4. It's like that way. So every time, at least the morning hours we should devote to Lord. You know, if you're not full day, you are able to devote at least for the morning hours, do some little service, and at least, but I devote, actually Prabhupada has never said just devotion. You all must have read Prabhupada's books. Prabhupada ने हर जगह पे डिवोशनल सर्विस लिखा है. सर्विस का क्या मतलब होता है? सेवा, कुछ सेवा करना. ठीक है, दिस चैंटिंग इज बेगिंग फॉर द सर्विस. जो हम ये जब करते हैं हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र, हम मांगते हैं भगवान से कि हमें अपनी सेवा में लगाइए. ठीक है, और यू मस्ट डू सम लिटिल सर्विस फॉर कृष्ण in the morning. अगर आपको पूरा दिन समय नहीं है, at least do some little service for Krishna for the pleasure of him, without considering anything. I'm doing some service. Just have one thought, Krishna, this is for your pleasure. Maybe you just boil a milk and offer it to Lord Krishna, this is for your pleasure. Or maybe you just devote or you just clean up the altar of Krishna and says, Krishna, this is for your pleasure, I'm doing, please accept my this little service. Or maybe you just distribute one book, say, Krishna, this is for you today, I did one book distribution for you. Or maybe if you can just talk about some Krishna to someone, you say, Krishna, today I spoke something about you to some person. This is also some little devotional service to Krishna. But every day, make sure to do at least one single service for Krishna's pleasure and tell Krishna. And you need to tell him also, Krishna, today I did this for you. And then see how much pleasure you will get. At least just in a whole day, you won't able to do much, but please do this little practice, whatever it might be. You just clean up Krishna's utensils, जो उनके भोग वाले बर्तन है चाहे वही साफ करो. Krishna, today I did this for your pleasure. See, is it I did fine or not? So you do it. Just talk to him. Just tell him, I did this for you today. Krishna, I cooked this for you today. Or just tell him, no need to tell anyone else what you have done for Krishna. This is you and Krishna. Because ultimately it's between you and Krishna only. पूरा जगत बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा, but ultimately it's between you, Guru, and Krishna. You know, so just in whole day at least render one devotional service to Lord. Obviously, we are chanting, we are doing Mangalarati, that is totally fine. But besides that, do some practical service for Lord. Okay, either it's cleaning, cooking, or maybe the doing kirtan for Lord's pleasure or anything. But after doing that, वो पूरी चेतना के साथ करना भगवान के लिए, और फिर उनको बताना है, कृष्णा, today though I'm very unqualified, I don't have much time to devote to you, but this is from my heart for your pleasure. I'm offering my little offering to you. This is my little small offering for you, and then see how much pleasure you get it. Yes, Asta, you wanted to say something? Please go ahead.
माता जी इसी से रिगार्डिंग मेरा मतलब एक ऐसे रियलाइजेशन नहीं समझ लो, मतलब माता जी जैसे अभी मैं बता रही हूँ ना कि मैं अकेली हूँ, तो फिर मतलब ओके, तो फिर ना मेरे पास अब होता है कि देखो हम लोग तो ना ऑर्डिनरीली चला लेंगे ऐसा लगता है ना अपने लिए, चलो ठीक है. When you have your like when you have Jagannath in your house, then you cannot take ordinary, like, you know.
Yes.
So, you know, in the evening, like just like I don't have that much hunger, but I just the thing which remind me, like, I have Jagannath. मुझे उनके लिए cook करना है अभी. Though I'm not hungry, though. So every time I was like, what special today I offer to him? What special today I do for
this
him?
Is the
like,
meditation, you know? Mataji. This is the meditation, you know.
Yes.
You have the DT, so because this is the we have to actually क्या होता है, हमें भूख लगती है, हम तब खाना बनाते हैं, भगवान को ऑफर करते हैं, but नहीं, we have to do it for him. नहीं भगवान भूखे होंगे,
Actually,
बनाना है.
मतलब माता जी ऐसा होता भी, जैसे इवनिंग हुआ है ना, जब मुझे कुछ भूखने वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है ना, तो लिटरली मेरे को बस खाना बनाना होता है बिकॉज ऑफ जगन्नाथ.
Yes, because akela person, what more you needed? You just cook one time and it's all fine for you. But
Yes.
you have to make it for Lord. And Jagannath ji likes a lot of feasting.
Yes.
For him, we need to cook a lot. So like that way, like similarly in your, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला, you all might be not in a similar situation. आप लोग का maybe busy schedule हो, पढ़ाई हो, कुछ भी हो. But at least in a whole day, at least try to give your little offering to Lord. And tell him I did it. Krishna, I did it. Though I'm unqualified, I don't have much time, but this is a small offering for you from love and devotion. If you do that thing, then see how Krishna reciprocate with you. Okay? Do this exercise for at least for a week and let me know next week your whole experiences. Okay? Do you all do that thing? Are you all promising me to do at least one devotional service to Lord from your heart, a little offering for him? Do you all do?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Who else? Parth, you don't want to do?
Yes, Mataji.
You will do? Yes, Pooja Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, मैंने वो type किया ना.
Okay. Whatever you want to do. You can, and today is Monday or a Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So next Tuesday, I will ask your all experiences. Every day, what little service you all offered and how's your experience regarding that. Okay? I will also do. I will also share my experience with all of you. And this is a little small service and exercise. It's not an exercise basically, but this is for your own to experience little reciprocation of Lord. So please do something. Okay, every day try to do something new offering to him. Okay, and every day think what I can do today for him. So do something different for him every day. Maybe whatever time you have, just do a little offering from your heart and tell Krishna, this is from my heart for you. Okay, no need to tell anyone else, just you and Krishna. Okay, but later on do share your experience. Okay, so this is how the pure devotional service is. It should be from pure from your heart, not mixed with any devotion, any things ki Krishna, I want this thing for you, so I will do that thing. No, okay, that should not be there. Okay, we'll move ahead. So without the least desire for material enjoyment, that is pure devotion. ठीक है, कि भौतिक इच्छाएं ना रखना. One should therefore accept the superior quality of occupation in the form of devotional service of the Lord without any tinge of unnecessary desire. Fruitive action and philosophical speculation. This alone can lead one to perpetual solace in his service. Okay? So that will bring you happiness. We have purposely denoted dharma as occupation because the root meaning of the word dharma is that which sustains one's existence. ठीक है, इन्होंने धर्मा को बेसिकली यहाँ पे ऑक्यूपेशन टर्म इसलिए मतलब बोला गया है, बट एक्चुअली धर्मा यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन दी जा रही है दैट विच सस्टेन्स वंस एग्जिस्टेंस, कि किसी की एग्जिस्टेंस को सस्टेन करना वो धर्म है. अ लिविंग बीइंग सस्टेनेंस ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस इज टू कोऑर्डिनेट हिज एक्टिविटीज विद हिज इटर्नल रिलेशन विद सुप्रीम लॉर्ड कृष्णा. तो एक जीवात्मा को सस्टेन क्या करता है? सी ये मैंने एक प्रपात के लेटर में भी पढ़ा था, और यहाँ पे प्रपात इस चीज को दोबारा कह रहे हैं परपट में. क्या कह रहे हैं? अ लिविंग बीइंग सस्टेनेंस ऑफ एग्जिस्टेंस, कि उसकी एग्जिस्टेंस कैसे सस्टेन कर सकती है? बाय कोऑर्डिनेटिंग हिज एक्टिविटीज विद हिज इटर्नल रिलेशन विद लॉर्ड, कि अपनी जितनी भी एक्टिविटीज है उनको किस तरह से कोऑर्डिनेट करना कि वो भगवान की सेवा में लग सके. दैट कैन देन ही कैन सस्टेन हिज एग्जिस्टेंस, फिर वो अपनी एग्जिस्टेंस को सस्टेन कर सकता है. Otherwise it is difficult. He'll be like living like a zombie or a dead person. We all want to be happy, na? Don't want to be a zombie. So we have to do some service to Krishna, dovetailing our activities in service to Lord. So Krishna is the central pivot of living beings, and he is the all attractive living entity or eternal form amongst all other living beings or eternal forms. So Krishna सर्व आकर्षक है, कृष्णा का नाम ही है सबसे ज्यादा आकर्षक, मतलब all attractive है ना. So he is the central pivot point of all living entities. So each and every living being has his eternal form in the spiritual existence, and Krishna is the eternal attraction for all of them. Krishna is the complete whole and everything else is part and parcel. So हम लोग के जीव भूत ममे वंशो जीव लोके, we are the अंश मांशो, ममे वंशो जीव लोके जीव भूत सनातनः, क्योंकि कृष्ण सनातन है तो हम भी सनातन है. Like we are eternal, Krishna is eternal, and we are part and parcel of Lord. ठीक है. The relation is one of the servant of the and the served. क्या रिलेशन क्या है कि हम लोग क्या है, एक सर्वेंट है और एक सर्व्ड है, मतलब एक मास्टर है तो एक सर्वेंट है. ठीक है, अगर हम लोग अपनी पोजीशन समझे मैं सर्वेंट हूँ, मैं दास हूँ, तो इसका मतलब एक मालिक हुआ. फिर तो मालिक कौन है? कृष्ण है, तो उनकी सेवा हमें करनी है. ठीक है. It is transcendental and is completely distinct from our existence in material existence. This relation of servant and the served is the most congenial form of intimacy. क्या बोला है? ये जो रिलेशन है बहुत ही क्लोज इंटीमेसी वाला है. सो वन कैन रियलाइज इट एज डिवोशनल सर्विस प्रोग्रेसेस. तो इसको हम कैसे रियलाइज कर पाएंगे? जैसे हम लोग भक्ति में और आगे बढ़ेंगे तो वैसे हम इसको रियलाइज भी कर पाएंगे. ठीक है. So everyone should engage himself in the transcendental loving service of the Lord, even in the present conditional state of material existence. As I said, even if you are not pure, but just remain fixed in your devotional service. बेशक आप समझो कि मैं शुद्ध नहीं हूँ, मेरे में क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं है, बट स्टिल रिमेन फिक्स्ड ऑन इनटू द डिवोशनल सर्विस. भगवान की सेवा नहीं छोड़नी है. ठीक है. आपके पास समय, जैसे मैंने बोला, जैसे आपको जो भी समय मिलता है, हाउ वट एवर टाइम यू गेट इट. ठीक है. Whatever time you get it, at least maybe 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever it is, just devote it to Lord. Do some service for him. ठीक है. So you might be into this conditional state, but no problem. Still you can render service to the Lord. And he accepted, so kind, he accepted the service. So that will gradually give one the clue to actual life and please him to complete satisfaction. तो इससे आपको क्लू मिलेगा कि एक्चुअल लाइफ होती क्या है, and then you will be totally satisfied. I can give my own experience. आप लोगों का खुद का experience भी होगा. Like it's my now 8.5 years in being in Krishna consciousness, and the life I have lived before Krishna consciousness. दो मैं starting से खैर इतनी materialistic नहीं रही हूँ, but obviously भौतिक जगत की life तो इतनी संतुष्ट होती नहीं है, संतुष्टि आती नहीं है. But I can feel the difference. The life I had before and the life I have now. अभी समय का अभी लाइक आई डोंट, मुझे समय का पता ही नहीं चलता है, ऐसे समय निकल रहा होता है. आई डोंट गेट टू रियलाइज हाउ द टाइम इज रनिंग एंड आई हैव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू गो कैरी ऑन विद. एंड अभी भौतिक चीजें इतनी नहीं है. और every activity I rejoice and enjoy. मतलब every activity you do you relish. Maybe वो mundane ही क्यों ना हो, अभी like आप तो अभी जैसे हमारे घर में काम लगा था, I need to go out to get some, अब मिस्त्री कुछ बोलेगा ये सामान लाना है वो सामान लाना है, I was still not disturbed. I was like having my earphones in my ears, was listening to some lectures and carrying out the other activities. जो भी समय है हमें यूटिलाइज करना आना चाहिए. ठीक है, आप रीडिंग नहीं कर पा रहे हो, you have to go out for some work, so you can listen to something, isn't it? Some Krishna conscious stuff you can listen. So like that way we can make our whole day Krishna conscious. It's just a little art, and every activity it becomes Krishnaized. So though we are engaged in some other material activity, but everything become Krishnaized by being in Krishna consciousness. It's just a simple art we learn as we grow in our bhakti. So कोई भी चीज हमें फिर ऐसा नहीं लगता. कोई बोल दे घर पे जाओ बर्तन साफ करो, बर्तन मैं नहीं साफ करूंगा, मुझे बहुत काम. बट आई एंजॉय क्लीनिंग यूटेंसिल्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज एक बर्तन साफ करते मुझे कोई तंग नहीं करता है. एंड आई लिसन टू द लेक्चर वेरी नाइसली, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक क्लीनिंग यूटेंसिल्स. इसलिए मुझे बर्तन साफ करना पसंद है, क्योंकि मैं लेक्चर सुनती हूँ आराम से, एंड आई कैन डू द क्लीनिंग थिंग. एंड लाइक अब कोई बोले झाड़ू पोछा लगा दो, बच्चे बोले क्या मैं नहीं करूंगा, अरे वो भी बहुत मस्त है, यू जस्ट लिसन टू सम कीर्तन एंड डू द वर्क, आराम से हो जाएगा, वो टेंशन लगती ही नहीं है. So like that way you can carry out any activity, either is household or outer work, by being in Krishna conscious, and you feel quite very rejoice and enjoy those activities. ठीक है, आप उसको enjoy कर पाते हो. It's just a matter of consciousness and the matter of bringing, it's the art of bringing Krishna in everything. So try to bring Krishna in every activity, then you can really will feel the satisfaction and be very happy. आप complain नहीं करोगे मुझे ही काम देते हो, ऐसे ही करते हो, ये है वो. You will enjoy. आप बोलोगे अरे अच्छा हाँ शुक्र है कुछ काम मिला है, let me carry out. So you will enjoy those activities. Okay. So ये क्या होता है जब हम नए नए होते हैं तो हम लोग थोड़ा इतना नहीं समझ पाते हैं. That's why I'm saying as you grow you will really relish every activity, either it's material activity also you will relish, because your consciousness is centered around Krishna. Okay, so we will stop here for today, because next श्लोक अगर लिया तो इतना time है नहीं, because I have to carry out with some other services. So and till the time we have some few minutes, 5 or 6 minutes, so anyone having any questions or realizations, so they can go ahead, or if nothing then we can stop. But I would like to hear from everyone, maybe a small thing, so but I would like to hear everyone. So who would like to speak up first? Yes, maybe a small thing, but I like to hear from everyone. Yes, who would like to go ahead first? Please don't let me take your names. You should voluntarily come forward and speak. कृष्ण के बारे में बोलना है तो इतना शर्म क्यों आ रही है? हाँ? Why you people are shy to speak about Krishna? One should never be shy to speak about Krishna, but one should be very eager to speak about Krishna. मेरे को मौका मिले कब मैं बोलूं, हैं? बहुत एक तो बहुत eager होते हैं हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ बोलने के लिए, बस मौका मिलना चाहिए. तो why not here? Just speak up something. Yes. Yes, Meenal Mataji, आप बोलो पहले. What you have understood or something, anything you have. Yes.
Yes, माता जी. रियलाइजेशन थी
Yeah.
कि मतलब होता है ना कि हम हमारे एक्टिविटीज से ही हमारी मतलब जो हैबिट्स है वो बनती हैं.
Yes.
तो जैसे अभी हम जैसा सुनते हैं वैसा हमारा आचरण हो जाता है. वैसे ही वो मैं रियलाइज कर पा रही थी जैसे जब से मैंने ये क्लास ज्वाइन करी है, तो आई कैन सी द डिफरेंस कि मतलब पहले मेरा मॉर्निंग शेड्यूल क्या होता था और अब मेरा मॉर्निंग शेड्यूल क्या है. तो मतलब हियरिंग मतलब इम्पोर्टेंस समझ आ रही है कि अच्छी चीजें सुनने का कितना ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है, स्पेशली
Yeah.
अबाउट कृष्णा. यस,
Thank you, Madhuri. And what is more greater than hearing the Bhagavatam? That is so very.
स्पेशली इन द मॉर्निंग.
Yeah, especially in the morning hours. Yeah, that is very good. Yeah, thank you, Meenal. Yes, who will be the next person? Yes, Parth, you go ahead. पता चला आप ट्यूशन के लिए भाग गए, because yesterday also you, I think you get late for tuition. So you stayed first. Now आप share करो कुछ. Yes.
मुझे ये मतलब आपने जैसे बोला ना कि मतलब एक डिवोशनल सर्विस करेंगे 1 वीक तक, फिर ऑब्जर्व करना. एक्चुअली हम मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो कर रहा था, लेकिन मतलब ऐसा कुछ रेगुलर नहीं था, या तो मैं ऑब्जर्व नहीं कर रहा था. तो मैं ट्राई करूंगा ऑब्जर्व करने की, मतलब कैसे ऑब्जर्वेशन है मेरी, थोड़ा पता चलेगा कि मतलब कहाँ पहुंचा हूँ. क्योंकि मतलब बहुत कम ऑब्जर्वेशन है वैसे अभी तक.
Very good, and
लेकिन
all
एक
the best that you are taking this determination to carry out for a whole week. So all the best for you. We look forward to hear from you from next week. So carry out. Okay, try this experience. Yeah. Thank you, Bharat. Yes, who else is the next person? Yes, Pooja Mata ji, आप बोलिए पहले.
हरे कृष्णा माता जी.
हरे कृष्णा.
मैं कल आपने बोला था ना, जब मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि क्या नाम है कि मतलब अब जब भी आपको ऐसा कुछ आता है या कुछ भी होता है डिवोशनल सर्विस की या मंदिर जाते समय, तो पहले भी तो मैं बहुत ज्यादा डिमोटिवेट हो गई थी कि नहीं अब तो जाना ही नहीं है मंदिर. लेकिन फिर कल शाम से मेरे को रियलाइज हुआ कि नहीं, अगर हरे कृष्णा आपने बोला कि हरे कृष्णा का जपा करो और फिर उसके बाद अगर कुछ ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है तो इट रियली हेल्प्स की मतलब उससे बाहर निकलने में. और ये चीज रियलाइज भी की मैंने कि नहीं मतलब पहले जो मेरे दिमाग में चलता रहता था पूरा टाइम, तो उससे ओवरकम करने के लिए अच्छा तरीका है कि जाप करके अब उससे ओवरकम हो जाता है.
Yes. Very good, Mataji. You implemented, because his application is the perfection of hearing. कि application is the perfection of hearing. हम जो भी सुनते हैं जब तक हम उसको implement नहीं, apply नहीं करते हैं, तो वो व्यर्थ हो जाता है. But जब हम उसको जो सुनते हैं उसको apply करते हैं, that is the perfection. So you really implemented. That helps you. That is very great. It's good. So hope that is very nice for you. Yeah. Asa, we have few minutes. So quickly, if you have something you can say, or otherwise we are ending up. Yes. Yes, Asta. Unmute yourself.
Oh,
Yeah.
आवाज आ रही है माता जी? हरे कृष्णा.
Yes.
So, माता जी जल्दी बोलने के लिए तो फिर ऐसा रियलाइजेशन है कि आपने बोला ना कि लाइक हम जब डिवोशनल सर्विस करते हैं, जैसे जो सर्विस करते हैं, तो वो एक पॉइंट जैसे था कि इफ यू विल नॉट डू लाइक दिस, यू नो, आई एम लाइक हम लिटिल लिटिल सेवा नहीं करेंगे ना कृष्णा के लिए, एकदम पता है एक रिलेशनशिप इम्पर्सनल टाइप बन जाएगा. लाइक एवरीथिंग विल गो मैकेनिकल एंड वी डिडंट रियलाइज दैट कृष्णा इज एक्चुअली अ पर्सन एंड वी आर सर्वेंट ऑफ हिम.
Yes.
If you'll not do the service, little service, you know.
Yes.
So I just realized that, you know, when you will not do the little service for Krishna, it will feel like just impersonal, like, you know, कि अरे कृष्णा है कोई व्यक्ति के जैसे हैं, ये समझ भी
You're
नहीं
not
आएगा,
able to
you know.
develop a relation like that way. So the services are very much
Yes,
required
yes.
to have a personal relation with Krishna.
Like,
Okay.
and if you're saying a servant of Krishna, then service is our duty, must.
Yes. Service is our duty because we are servants. Yeah.
Then yes, that is my realization, Mataji.
Thank you so
If
much.
we want to develop relationship with Krishna, then we have to serve. We have to do little service for him.
Yes. That is very nice. We have to do little services, and it's an assignment for all of you for a week to do some little service for Krishna every day. Okay. Okay, then we'll stop here for today. Thank you so much. Let us chant 3 times Hare Krishna, and then we'll stop. And the Bhagavad Gita class will be at 1 p.m. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama,
हरे
Rama
राम
Rama,
राम राम हरे हरे.
Hare
हरे
Krishna,
कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे. हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे. हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.
Mantra Srimad Bhagavatam ki Jai, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai, all the somebody Buddhist ki Jai. Thank you so much. See you all tomorrow or in the afternoon. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna everyone.